Please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get a latest update. Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well and staying safe. If your face looks grey, tired, worn out, a kind of a dull and dehydrated, then this DIY face mask is for you. You can make it under 5 minutes and practically with no cost. It is a perfect quick fix that will restore your skin in no time. Here how this amazing aloe vera and honey mask can help your skin and why you should be using it all the time. Aloe vera and honey face mask can benefit your skin in many ways. Both the ingredients are famous for their healing properties. Both aloe vera and honey are suitable for all skin type. So without any delay, let's get started. So take 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel and 1 teaspoon of honey. When making DIY beauty products with aloe vera gel, it is always best to use freshly extracted aloe vera gel. You can also buy aloe vera gel online. It is also important to use raw organic honey that unlikely processed honey won't irritate your skin. And if you have manuka honey, then definitely go for it. Mix both the ingredients well. Leave this mask for 20 to 30 minutes, then rinse it off with cold water. Apply a face moisturizer while your skin is still damp. If you have a dry skin, then add 1 teaspoon of natural oil, olive oil, coconut oil, sweet almond oil or shea butter in this DIY face mask. And if you have an oily skin, then add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. For acne prone skin, you can add 1 to 2 drops of tree essential oil. So guys, do try this DIY face mask and share your experience in the comment section below. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get a latest update. We'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.